Further over, way over.
Oh yeah, huh.
I just have the right angle on it.
You
Oh,
can
okay.
do
Yep.
both of them because
Yeah, let's set up 2 now.
fast, cool. Yeah, huh. But don't touch me though. Okay, let me set up. Too dumb.
It's just a baby.
It's awfully cute.
Your freeform pitch ball.
I know. Yours has a sad. It's too. Make with your hand.
Yes, I'm going
I'll
to.
be in there in like 15 minutes.
You happy?
Should I turn it over some or is it too?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Like a nice piece of silver.
Hey, big boy. Hi. How old is he now?
17 months. 17 months. He looks like a 2-year-old. Big guy.
Ah. Take her.
Take it out.
Make it.
Oh.
And
Did
these
I
are
take dinner?
there.
Oh, the edge.
Yeah.
But that's, I mean, it
Do this one.
Well, in the, turn it over.
Yeah, that's my this one. That you can take over. It's too tall.
Let's go see Owl. Let's go see Mr. Owl.
Put this one here. I wanna add this.